And we're back to learning Gimp. Let me show you how I can recreate this Spotify design for daily mix. Right here, it's quite simple, only a handful of steps. Typical designs are squared, so width and height have the same size. When you open a new file, make sure that you have, for example, 1000 times 1000. We need the logo and an image. I'll just drag and drop it here. And then use the scale tool. You can also press Shift S for it. Hold Control when you size it down. It needs to be only a little bit bigger than my canvas. And I've got the logo invisible. Let me reposition the image a little bit. Hold Control while I do. This is a good position, I think. Next step, we want to create these shapes. These wavy lines. Let us activate the Paths tool and we'll create a new layer. Let me call that shape and it's transparent. Now left click, drag to create these curves. It might take you a couple of tries, just press Ctrl Z when you're not happy with the curve. When you've arrived at the starting point, hold Ctrl and left click to close your shape. Let me go over the top part. I'm not happy with the bottom one, but you get the idea. The top one was way better. I right click on it, select from path. Now use the bucket fill tool, click on the color swatches. Let me use a bluish color for now, and I left click on my canvas. Then Shift Ctrl A to deselect. As I said, the bottom one I'm not super happy with it, but the top one, it looks fine. Afterwards, just decrease the opacity slightly to around 70 to 85. If you want to change the color, just do so here and then left click with the bucket fill tool while you're on your shape layer. Let's take care of the logo. I'll bring it to top. We need to scale it down. Shift S, left click. Drag it like this. Or maybe it was even smaller, we'll see. If you want to change the color, in this case it makes sense. Right click on your logo layer, Alpha to selection, use the bucket fill tool. Make it black and left click. Shift Ctrl A to deselect, and I want to make it a little bit smaller. So let me use the scale tool yet again. Now it's better. Now we need the text element. Just use the text tool right here. Left click on the canvas, type it in daily mix 1. Ctrl A to select all, and then use maybe Arial bold or Arial heavy. Size it up, in my case 75 is fine. I don't want to have Arial bold, so let me select it again. Ctrl A. And heavy looks way better. And that's already it. This is how you can recreate this daily mix design that you can see on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.